Parenting doesn't come with a manual, and for those healing from trauma and abuse, it can feel even more overwhelming. If you're navigating the complex journey of raising children while working through your own pain, I want you to know you are not alone. Today, I'll share some strategies to help you heal while raising emotionally healthy children. Parenting while healing often feels like balancing two full-time jobs, tending to your own emotional wounds and caring for your child's well-being. There will be days when it feels like everything is too much. You may feel the urge to scream or retreat from the world. On other days, you might question if you're doing enough. But in those moments of doubt, remember this: you are healing. The love you pour into your children and the healing you're doing will set a powerful example of resilience and growth. In this video, I'll walk you through how you can parent with love, all while making room for your own healing process. Managing triggers. Trauma triggers can be a reminder of a past traumatic experience, like a particular smell, a familiar song, a specific trait of a stranger, a type of vehicle, or even a certain behavior. When triggered, the mind reacts as if there's a certain threat, causing fear, worry, or panic and prompting protective reactions. It's important to notice when past trauma influences your reactions, especially in situations that might not warrant such intense responses. When this happens, practice coping strategies like deep breathing, journaling, or taking a break by going for a walk. Activities that promote self-love and self-care, such as meditation, exercise, and getting proper rest, are also important for healing. Challenging negative thoughts and being mindful and compassionate with yourself can help you regain balance and move through triggers with greater ease. Create a safe, loving, and supportive environment. Let your kids know their emotions are important. They should feel safe expressing their feelings. Let them know it's okay for them to feel sad or upset. Ensure their basic needs are met and create a secure environment where they feel loved and protected. Regular moments of connection, whether through laughter, play, reading together, or simply saying "I love you," can significantly impact their emotional well-being. Physical affection like hugs or cuddles also reinforces their sense of safety and love. Show love in different ways and match your actions with your words. Lead by example. Apologize when needed and model kindness, respect, and gratitude. Rebuild trust through consistency. Children need to trust you, and that trust is built through consistency. Keep your promises and follow through on your commitments. When they know they can count on you, it strengthens the foundation of your relationship. Show genuine interest in their lives. Ask about their day, their dreams, and what's on their mind. When they feel seen and heard, they know you care deeply about them. It's also important to actively listen to them, celebrate their wins, and offer encouragement and support when things don't go as planned. Help them learn from failure, showing them it's part of growing. Kids don't need a perfect parent. They need a parent who is present. Being patient and fully engaged with them is more valuable than striving for perfection. Focus on quality time, making each interaction meaningful and intentional. Creating stability through daily routines also gives them a sense of security, helping them feel safe and grounded. Encourage open and honest communication. Be open and honest with your children, especially when discussing difficult topics or family situations. Speak to them in ways that are age-appropriate and easy to understand. Children are highly attuned to changes in their environment, and providing them with clear, honest communication helps them feel secure and informed. Listen to their feelings and acknowledge them without dismissing or minimizing their experiences. Share your emotions too, showing them it's okay to feel the way they do. Every child processes emotions at their own pace, so give them the time and space they need to feel comfortable opening up. Respect their boundaries and ensure they know that their feelings are valid, no matter what they are. When they're ready, make sure you're available to listen without distractions or judgment. If your past actions hurt them, take responsibility. Acknowledging your mistakes and offering an apology is a powerful way to model accountability and trust building, teaching them the importance of empathy and honesty in relationships. Seek support. Taking the step to seek help requires vulnerability, courage, and self-awareness. Asking for support isn't a weakness, but a demonstration of strength and commitment to personal growth. Family counseling can offer a safe space to navigate challenges together, helping to build deeper connections and understanding. Surround yourself with those who genuinely support, uplift, and care for you. Don't hesitate to reach out when you need help. Asking for support is okay. Whether it's family or friends, let them assist when they offer. They can help with practical matters like childcare, transporting kids to extracurricular activities, or providing emotional support when needed. Allowing others to support you strengthens your connections. It lets you focus on your well-being, knowing you're not alone in the journey. Encourage healthy expressions. Children often process emotions in unique ways. To help them express and understand their feelings, encourage activities like journaling, writing poetry, or creating stories to give them an outlet for self-expression. Meditation and mindfulness can also help children find calm and clarity in moments of emotional intensity. Art activities, music, and play therapy allow children to work through their emotions non-verbally and provide a safe, comforting environment for exploring their feelings. Keeping children physically active is also essential. Physical activities like walking, playing a sport, or simply moving their bodies can significantly reduce stress. Encouraging physical activities helps them develop coping skills for future challenges and builds resistance. You don't have to be fully healed to be a great parent, and you don't need to be perfect either. What matters most is that you keep showing up and keep showing love, even on the hard days. Remember, you can't pour from an empty cup, so fill your own cup by taking care of yourself, whether that means taking a break, doing something you love, or simply resting. Only when you take care of your own needs can you fully show up for your kids. Don't beat yourself up if you react in a way you regret. It's okay to make mistakes. By being honest with them and yourself, you're teaching them it's okay to fall short sometimes, as long as you learn and keep moving forward. Let go of the fear of messing up, because you're already doing so much right. Be kind to yourself and give yourself grace. You're doing your best. Your strength, resilience, and love are the foundation your children need, and you're giving them that every day. Your healing and your children's growth are not separate. They are intertwined. The love you give them and the love you give yourself will create a foundation that will carry you both forward, stronger than you ever thought possible. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe. And remember to practice self-love, self-care, and self-compassion. You are healing, you are enough, and you are not alone. Till next time, please take care.